What's up, everybody? Hills Homestead Zone 8A. It's your boy, Director Chill. On this video, we're going to do a quick update. Check out the homestead, see our new additions, new family members. About to go down. What's up, everybody? Hills Homestead Zone 8A. Just do a quick update with you guys. Been tired. Beautiful day out here. You see our potatoes are doing really good. Brassicas going. Got my little onion bowl, some spinach, more brassicas. If you don't know, I love like Brussels sprouts, broccoli. I can eat all day. Carrots looking good. Couple garlics right there. Yes. Potatoes. This one had a tough time. That was a little bit younger, but as you see, I cut off the dead stuff, and now it's growing wonderfully. Those are my two old boys, or old girls, whatever you want to call them. Got this one. We're gonna chit this up. I'm sorry, we're gonna heal this up soon. Got a little strawberries. Everything's going pretty good. I'm doing pak choi. I've never even ate it. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. Radish. I really don't eat radish. I mean, I guess I do in salad. Got a couple heads. I might do cut and come again, but since it's just a small head, I might just chop these, make a salad. I got some more coming. Funny story. This hoop was actually on my little makeshift dog cover from when we went out of town, and it had a tarp on it. It was all tore up. So I threw away the tarp bed, and the frame actually fits my raised bed that we made. Some of the stuff looks a little pitiful. I got a little impatient, started planting stuff that had no business being out here yet, but I got our peas looking good. Finally got some beans coming up. Let's see if you can see that right there. Again, got some peppers out here. I'm not really worried about those because I started them so early and it wasn't time for them to be started. It's plenty of time for them to get right. Over here we started our corn, cantaloupe, watermelon, and separated them into, if you can see where the white comes up at. And as you can see, I got some coming. This was my my microgreen bag, if y'all remember from the beginning. Yes. So the story of the little brothers. So this is my son when he played quarterback. It's one of those quarterback nets that you throw into. Well, needless to say, he don't play quarterback anymore. It was in the front yard. He just threw it to the side, so I decided to use it as a trellis. I already got my raspberries going up through there. And cucumber. Got brain fart. I got some melons. I'm starting tomato. This one I did not think it was gonna make it. Another plant that I planted too early, but actually like it's bouncing back fine. I planted some down there just in case, and now they're starting to grow. So I'll thin those out, see how it goes. Oh, but the homestead, new addition. We got us 3 baby chickens, and I built. Well, I can't take all the credit. Me and my family built a Carolina coop out of pallets. I actually had some of the plywood when they redid my roof, and they said we can throw it, take it to the dump. I said leave it, so I use it on the roof. Still gotta add my chicken wire. Did my little egg. I don't know what you call it again. Again, I'm a rookie. Boom for the eggs. I just did 1 divider. We only have 3 chickens. We have 4. Unfortunately, 1 didn't make it, and then we went back to the store. My wife went back to the store yesterday. Come to find out, the rest of the chicks that they had to pull them off. I won't say off the shelves, but take them off for sale because they were getting sick or something. So I think it wasn't our fault, but reused a lot of stuff. These are little poles from my old bunk beds my son used to have. Kept all that stuff, repurposed it. I used some inset netting. That's all we have right now. I am going to do some chicken wire. A couple doors. Oh, I'm gonna build a door there, and I already did this door right here. You know what? I'm actually gonna show y'all a little bit prior to when it was just bones yesterday. After that, other than that, shoot, we've been doing some good fishing. Taking my son out for his birthday in like a week or 2. Still got to run another watering system, so stay tuned for how I ran this solar power. I've got 3 more systems. I'm going to run one to the big round bed. I don't know what you call that. That's the corn. That's the corn, watermelon, and cantaloupe. And then my square raised bed. I'm running on there, and then I'm gonna run a water system here. So that's gonna be 3 more additions. And then this table right here, I just been keeping stuff on there. I really don't know what I want to do right here. This is kind of like my little just like try stuff out table. I mean, but yeah. And I'm gonna try some. What is this? Pak choy, bok choy. I have both pak choy. I've never had it, but they say it grows fast, so good for a little win. Sometimes we need that. Other than that, stay tuned. Hills Homestead, Zone 8A. And this is straight raw. At the end, right here, I'm gonna show y'all what it did look like yesterday. Got some strawberries, ever bearing. Oh, some already ready to go. Some of these pitiful things I got from the big store. I ain't gonna tell you which big store. A couple things on my test table, cilantro, thyme. I'm really just harding that stuff off. I'm actually about to take it right back inside before I forget. Other than that, Hills Homestead Zone 8A. Love you guys. Grow that thing. Peace.